In this video, we are going to show you on how to install WordPress in cPanel the easy way. Stick around. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click on that notification bell. By clicking on that notification bell, you'll get all of our videos every time we upload them. If you haven't already, be sure to watch our video showing you on how to get free web hosting. If you have watched it, continue on with this video. If you haven't watched it, we will give you an info card up on the right hand corner taking you to that video. Once you've watched that video, come back and let's continue. As you can see, we are currently in our cPanel and we've got our files, databases, domains, email, metrics, etc, etc. What we want is Softaculous apps installer. So all we need to do is click on WordPress and then it will take us to the Softaculous app and it will give us an option to install WordPress. So we'll click on install now. And after we've done that, we'll get rid of WP in directory. So practically the in directory is like a folder. So if you want to install a separate WordPress like a store, we can do a like store as an in directory and that'll create a new folder with all of the WordPress information in there. Now when you do create a new WordPress website, make sure you install it as a HTTP, not a HTTPS. Unless you have HTTPS installed ready to go in your cPanel. In this instance, we don't have HTTPS installed on this cPanel just yet. That will be another video for another day. So now we're going to change the site name. You can change the site name and description at any time inside of WordPress itself. And again, that's another WordPress video, and that's another video tutorial. So inside this name we'll say Webflow to WordPress, and then in the description we'll say learn everything from Webflow to WordPress. Okay, so now that we've done that, we will change our username and password, but in this instance we'll keep it the exact same. But in the real world, we highly recommend that you change the username and password. WordPress is the #1 platform that gets hacked into the most, and the reason why that it gets hacked into the most is because people don't change the username and password. When you use a password, make sure it's 16 characters long and that you're using all characters as much as possible, and that will give you a strong password. So now that we've done that, we'll keep admin as the username and password as the password for now. We'll scroll down. Now if you want to, you can add in a thing called limit login attempts loginizer. If you were to do that, it will give you an option on how many times someone should have the attempt to be able to log in. In this instance, we don't need that, but if you want to put it in, it's an option. Now that we've done that, we just click on install. Softaculous will install the application for us. Depending on your internet speed, it may take 3 to 4 minutes or less. Alright, so now we have installed WordPress. We can click on this link right here. And as you can see, we have the default WordPress theme for 2019. So that tells us we have WordPress ready to go. All we need to do now to access the WordPress admin section, we click on /wp-admin. Make sure you save that URL so you can access it whenever you need to. Now I'll enter in admin and pass because that's our username and password. And we have access to our WordPress platform. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe, like, rate, comment, and don't forget to watch the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in